Hello friends, welcome to LMS Solution Research Support. In this video, we are going to discuss about a fantastic AI tool which is having different types of AI templates, and also there are many different options related with our research paper writing, and also new important options added in that AI tool is that AI content that is director and AI content generator. So after that it will having plagiarism checker also. So these are the different options added in that particular AI tool. Let us go on to today's video and explore that AI tool and how it will work out for our research paper writing. Before that, an important announcement from our channel is that we are going to conduct an online workshop on research paper writing using ChatGPT and AI tool. The main objective of this workshop is to familiarize you all with different AI tools which will be useful for research paper writing, and also we are going to explore different types of research prompts in ChatGPT, and we are going to get best content out of it for our research paper writing. So these are the important things we are going to discuss in this workshop. So don't forget to register our online workshop. The link of the registration will be given in the description of this video. See you on our workshop. Another important announcement from our channel is that we are going to conduct an online MATLAB workshop on microgrid operation and control. So in this workshop, we are going to model DC microgrid with PV, wind and battery as its input sources, and then we are going to operate that DC grid, and then we are going to connect it with an AC grid. In that we are going to make two different types of operation, that is grid connected mode as well as standard mode. These are the important things we are going to discuss in this workshop. So don't forget to register our online workshop. So sure you will know more about this microgrid operation with proper energy management in microgrid. So don't forget to subscribe our online workshop. The link of the registration will be given in the description of this video. See you on our workshop. Moving on to our today's video, the AI tool what we are going to discuss today is that 𝐻𝐸. So this is the dashboard of this 𝐻𝐸. It's powered by GPT 3.5 Turbo. So here you can see these are the different options available in this particular 𝐻𝐸. So in this first we will check out writer, AI writer. So in this AI writer, these are the different options of templates available: ads, blog post, contents, videos, websites, others, etc. As far as contents, you can see as like in many of the AI tools, so it is having the same type of templates. So here you can see article generator, content rewriter, paragraph generator, talking points, pros and cons, summarize text, product description, startup name generator, product name generator, academic essay, creative stories, grammar checker, summarize for second grader, text extender, rewrite with keywords, business ideas, tone changer, dictionary, private policy, terms and conditions. So these are the different options available. So in order to explore this template, I have chosen this pros and cons template. So in order to explore that template, I have taken a random research paper title. So copy that research paper and then you can paste here in this option called pros and cons. So here you can see that, so here you can give the name of the title, so name of the paper, and you can describe that particular paper. So after that you can select what are the AI model you want. So after that you can select the creativity, tone of voice and the number of results. So after that you can see that the pros and cons for the particular paper will be generated. So it is a generalized explanation. So if you want this in any comparison in your literature review, so you can make use of this option. So here you can see the pros generated is that improved efficiency and accuracy of the MPPT algorithm, enhanced performance in varying environmental condition, optimization results in better energy harvesting capabilities. So here you can see implementation may require additional computational resources, initial setup and tuning of parameters can be time consuming, potential for increased complexity in the control system. So these are the demerits associated with the particular paper. So you can use this kind of option to generate pros and cons for the research paper. So you can give any your reference paper title. So accordingly it will generate the merits and demerits of the particular paper. So thereby you can use this template accordingly. So next, moving on to our next templates. So these are the normal templates we often use it to check. So if you want this kind of templates, we have made many videos related this kind of AI tool. So you can explore that AI tools, that is AI tool videos also. So next, AI article generator. So in this article generator, so you can generate an idea. So for example, I am going to give renewable energy usage in power sector. So like that I am going to give a topic here. So number of topics, maximum topic words. So like that you can customize the topic or topic words. So thereby you can generate a better title for your concept also. So next you can in keywords you can give solar, next biogas, next wind. So like that whatever you want you can give. So total number of keywords, so you can give up to 5. So and then you can generate, click on generate. So it will take several seconds to generate the content. So here you can choose the keywords. There are different types of keywords also available. So you can choose different types of keywords and then click on the option called generate ideas. So here these are the different idea list, utilizing biogas for sustainable power production, power generation, solar energy and renewable energy sector. So for example I am going to select this one, solar energy. Next you can click on next step. So it will generate outlines for you. So this is the outlines. So click on generate outlines. So it will generate the outline for the particular idea or topic you have chosen. So these are the outlines generated. Solar power contribution to the sustainable energy future, global trends in solar power adoption. So just to click on this outlines. So after that you can go to next step, generate talking points. So click generate talking points. So it will generate what are the points, important points associated with the particular topic. So in solar power contribution to a sustainable energy future, solar power is a key player. So like that it is generated the content. So after that if it is satisfied for you, so check all the contents. If it is satisfied for you, so and then click generate next step. So next generate image. So in this image what you have to give is you have to describe the image. So copy and paste the content, solar power in energy sector. So here we have not having that access for generating image for a free trial option. So you have to go for subscription option. So other than that it will generate image. So like that you can generate a complete article in this 4 steps. That is, you can get ideas, so you can generate outlines. So after that you can generate a talking points and then you can generate images. So this is how you can do a best article, generate a best article using this kind of AI tool. So next, apart from this, you will be having different options like smart editor. So you can edit this content. So after that you can see a rewriter. So you can rewrite the content whenever your paper is subjected to plagiarism. So you can use this rewriting option to rewrite the content. So after that, apart from this, these are the 2 important options added. So a plagiarism checker and then a plagiarism content detector. So in this, click on a plagiarism checker. So here for a plagiarism checker, so you cannot be able to access the a plagiarism checker for free. So you have to go for this subscription option. So same for that AI content detector also. So in this kind of AI tools, these 2 options are not available. So recently only this 2 templates are added. So apart from this, you will be having all the other options like AI video, images, voice over, speech to text, and the important thing is that AI chat. So just to click on this AI chat, you will be having different options are available, different specialized chatbots are available. As far as research paper writing is concerned, so you can choose this education option. In this education option, you will be having our PhD Lupin, that is academician. So you can use this chatbot to generate best results. So you can generate whatever you want by giving just input prompts, and then you can generate a better content out of it. So after that you can see AI file chat. So just to click on this AI file chat. So in this AI file chat you have to go for subscription option. So in this AI file chat what you can do is you can upload your document and you can chat with that particular file. So you can do that for this AI file chat, and then you can give a chat image. So you can upload an image and you can chat with that particular image also. So these are the different options available in this Host AI. Go on and analyze that Host AI and explore the Host AI with your free trials of 1000 words. If it works out well, you can go for subscription option. So these are the pricing and plans related with this Host AI. So here you can see that for free you can generate up to that is 1000 words and AI writing feature, etc. So next, for text only, you can have a subscription of $13 per month and you can have access for GPT-4. and then you can, these are the different options available in this text only. Next, image only. So for generating images, so you can generate 50 DALL-E images and 50 SD images at just $22 per month. So this is for image. For both writing and image, so this is a package, so where you can generate a that is 1 lakh words, and cloud through Opus model 100 words, 50 images, 50 SD images, and also you can use for 2 team members. You can use that login for 2 team members. So these are the different pricing plans, subscription plans in this 𝐻𝐸A. Go on and explore this 𝐻𝐸A with free words if it works out well for you. If you want to generate an image, so you can, it will generate a better images, as this review of this 𝐻𝐸A tell that it will generate better images and quality images only. So you can go on and explore this 𝐻𝐸A. So this is all about this 𝐻𝐸A. Hope this video will be very helpful for you. So don't forget to subscribe our channel. Have a nice day. Thank you.